that kind of day. Oh, it's hot. I've been trying to get Matt eating more protein in the mornings too, so I made him some scrambled eggs.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, there you go.
2 seconds. 1. All right, Daddy just went to drop Seiji off at daycare. And now it's just me and Oakley. I just got changed because I am going to try to squeeze in a little workout this morning. But I might put him down for a nap before I do so. It's such a weird vibe out today. Today's like the eclipse day. Woo! It's a little cloudy, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Speaking of working out, my coach, Catherine, just messaged me. We always check in throughout the week, and it's nice because she's a mom too, and I feel like we can just relate on the mom level. And for the last 2 weeks, we've just been dealing with some sicknesses, like colds and stuff here, that are lingering. I seem to be the only one that didn't get hit. Trying to do what we can to stay healthy, huh? Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 2, 1, blast off! You're in outer space! Oakley is down for his nap, and I'm gonna squeeze in a quick 30-minute workout. I've been using the fitness app called CoPilot Fitness. They're actually sponsoring today's video. I've been using them for the past few months, and basically since I got back from Florida. When I tell you it is the best fitness app I have ever tried, and I've tried a lot of like online fitness programs, this is the only one where I actually feel accountable and motivated to stick with my workout routine and schedule from home. I'm one of those people that just does not feel motivated to work out at home, which is why I also go to CrossFit. I like that community aspect. But to be honest, with 2 kids now, it's just not always feasible. Like last week I went to CrossFit once, and the kids were sick, and it just like my schedule was all over the place, and I wouldn't have been able to work out if I didn't already have like my personalized workouts scheduled out for me that I can just do in the comfort of my home. These workouts that I'm doing are custom created by my amazing coach, Catherine. She knows I'm obviously healing from birth. I'm early postpartum still, and it's been really great just to not have to think about what types of workouts I'm doing and just have a schedule built out already for me, and also have accountability. Like she checks in on me a couple times a week to be like, hey girl, how you doing? When are you working out this week? How you feeling? It just makes me feel like someone is cheering me on, and we are gonna get this done.
Up first is 30 seconds of bent over swimmer. Add a little rotation across your body. Elbow to knee.
And then when you're done your workout, I like to submit a little photo. You can share it with your coach, you don't have to, and just give any feedback if there was something that was too easy or too hard, or want to change up something. I just let her know so she can adjust it for future workouts. I'm definitely feeling it from back-to-back workouts this week. And it's only Monday, so I'm on a good roll this week. This is just incorporated into my weekly schedule really seamlessly, and it just saves me so much time. Like before, if I wanted to go to the gym on a day that was super busy, just driving there, bringing Oakley, packing him up, stopping for breastfeeding, diaper changes, bringing him back, was adding in like an extra hour, where at home he can just either watch me or I can do my workout while he's napping, and I feel like I'm multitasking that way. Oakley just woke up. He actually had a really good nap. I'm hoping we're on the tail end of the sleep regression. the last 2 days have been so much better, which means I'm getting more sleep and I have more energy to just be a person and also squeeze in my workouts. I'm feeling really good at the start of the week. Yesterday, I spent basically the entire day deep spring cleaning the house and just organizing everything. So I'm just on like a power clean lately because I don't know, something about the warmer weather. I'm like, I want the house clean and organized from top to bottom. Let's go see Oakley. Hi, Oakley. Hi, baby. Did you have a good nap? Yes, you did. Sorry for my mom voice. Hi. Whoa. Is that a rainbow? Yeah. All right, I just got out of the shower. I'm going to do my skincare. It's honestly really easy these days because I don't have a lot of time. And like now that this is my second time through like the postpartum phase, also just life with a baby, I know it's temporary. Eventually he's going to sleep on his own, play by himself. He'll be too big to carry. Like, it's just a very different approach this time. My hair is falling out, guys. Every time I wash my hair, I just get sad because it's like so much hair fallout. Like I clean my brush every day. Yeah, I try to be gentle with it. I put a heat protector on. I honestly, most days, don't even blow dry my hair. I am gonna do it today because I feel like if I do just style my hair once, it'll be good for like the rest of the week. But yeah, like, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. It's sad. I just try to like hide it. Anyways, I feel like a drowned rat. I just feel like my days right now are a little bit of a rat race. I wake up, I have my routine with Oakley. I have a little bit of time to feed myself. And then it's like, Oakley's got to go to bed. And then I maybe work out, maybe do a little work, and then he's up from his nap. Yeah, he's just at that stage right now where he literally wants someone to stare at him in the eyes and entertain him like 24/7, or at least when he's awake, which is fine. I love him and I love cuddling with him, but also it's like hard to get anything done. Honestly, even if I can just put a little bit of makeup on, it makes me feel a whole lot better. I did get my brows tinted the other day, so that makes me feel good, makes me feel alive. Here is my 5-month postpartum body update. Things are still, feeling squishy and soft, but I honestly have never loved my body more. Like, the fact that it's given me 2 babies is incredible. Are things like squishy? I still got the love handles. There's just like more squishiness on the bottom. I felt like after I had Sage, it was more bloating up top. This time I don't feel like I have as much. The crazy thing is I'm at the same weight I was before I got pregnant with Oakley, but things just, look and feel different, and that's okay. That being said, I honestly feel like I've had a better recovery this time around than after I had Sage. Like, more internally, I feel like things are just feeling stronger and more normal quicker than they did after I had Sage. I just felt like really weird inside, and this time I just felt like I was able to jump and run and just do like regular things quicker than after I had Sage. And I don't know if that's because this time around I already had another child that wanted me to like run and play around and stuff, so my body was just used to doing that throughout my entire pregnancy. I also worked out more during my pregnancy with Oakley than with Sage. Sage was a 2020 baby. I was really limited on what I could do, but this time with Oakley, I felt like I was more active. I was at the CrossFit gym. I was moving my body more consistently, lifting more weight. And even though I'm back at my pre-baby weight, it really doesn't mean much because my clothes still fit differently. I look different. And that's why I find like that number on the scale is just not telling the full picture. I'm not gonna lie, lately all I wear is leggings and sweatpants. I wanna like redo my whole wardrobe, so that might be an upcoming video, but I just like, nothing really fits the way I want it to fit or is just like my style anymore. That's a whole other thing. Right now, I try to aim for Mondays and Saturdays are my CoPilot training workout days, and that sometimes will get moved around depending on what my schedule is that week. And then I try to do CrossFit at least twice a week. When you sign up with CoPilot, you are going to be matched with a coach. And if you want to switch your coach for whatever reason, you can definitely do that. You have an onboarding call where you actually get to meet your coach and talk about what your goals are, any injuries you may have, and just kind of what your schedule and fitness routine looks like. It was great because she really got to see what I'm already doing, what's working, what's not, and also what my goals are and how I'm feeling after my second pregnancy and birth and postpartum experience. She was really able to tailor workouts that are going to help heal and strengthen my core. So I love that she's added that in. And then especially like my neck, upper back pain, you know, breastfeeding, holding a little baby all the time does a number to your body. So she's been able to incorporate specific stretches and workouts and movements that are going to help those muscle groups. Basically, your workouts are scheduled for the week for you, so you don't have to think about it. And then when you're ready to start your workout, it actually does the workout with you. There's someone showing you how to do the move. It has all the timers set up for you. It is like someone is in your house with you, telling you what to do, when to do it, for how long. I like that it's literally talking to me and guiding me through the entire workout. If you have a smartwatch, the cool thing is that it actually tracks everything. So your coach can see what your heart rate was at. And I love that it's able to send those insights to your coach so that they can properly just see how you're doing with everything and just adjust if needed for future workouts. I've been using this app for months now. I have noticed such a difference in my body and just consistency with working out. I feel like it's just been something, I feel like it's been the missing link in my fitness routine because it's just something I can do at home without too much prep or time or thought into it because someone else is doing all the work. And what's really awesome is CoPilot has given me a link where you guys can get a free 14-day trial with your own personal coach. So grab that link today, try it out. It's free. You can at least see if it's something that you can get into. And honestly, you might get addicted to it like I am. Oakley needs me. Let's go get him. So I actually did a full grocery shop yesterday and planned out my meals for the week. Just because I find lately it's like it'll be 4 o'clock. Which sounds really early, but it's not when your toddler's like wants dinner at 4:30. But yeah, I just feel like the day of, I'm like, I don't know what we're gonna make, or we don't have the groceries. So we have all of our meals prepped. But one thing I did the other week, I just meal prepped a big chopped salad for the week. And honestly, we had that for lunch every day and it was awesome. Hack is get yourself a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. You can just add it to wraps, sandwiches, really anything. You can add it to a salad. I want to do an updated what I eat in a day video because I feel like it's just changed so much. I know everyone is talking about protein. It's like trending right now, but honestly, like if you have not tried upping your protein, my mood is better. I have way less sugar cravings at the end of the night on days that I start my morning with like 30 grams of protein, and also just adding in more veggies and less processed foods. He wants to be flipped the other way. We'll have to do that soon. And for dressing, I pretty much make the same thing each time. It's my maple tahini dressing. It's Matt's favorite dressing of mine, and it works really good with like crunchy salads like this. Even kale salads, which I am gonna put kale in this. Okay, we're gonna put this little guy to bed. He's asleep. Okay, Oakley is down. I'm really hungry now. Is that Oakley?
Yeah.
He's angry. Okay, hang on. Look at that. 2 hours later. apple. And if you're having a hard time with cravings, honestly, I find just don't buy those foods that you know you're gonna eat the entire bag if you have them at home. And what I like to do is have healthier options. If you're like a chip person, what's another salty snack that you can have that will kind of hit the spot but has better ingredients? Like this is just veggies. I'm gonna put a nice dressing on it, throw some pre-cooked chicken, and lunch is done. Baby might not be sleeping, but lunch is done. And then I have this extra salad ready to go. Ooh, I'm gonna pop the lid on. I love these containers. You can just store them in the fridge and it'll stay fresh until Friday. It's amazing. I'm so excited to eat. I'm starving. I feel like the chicken needs some hot sauce. Apple and kale salad, bomb. One thing I often heard a lot of when I was pregnant with Oakley is that it's so much harder to bounce back, get into shape, whatever you want to call it, after your second. So I was always a little nervous about it, but also I didn't want to put a lot of pressure on myself. I'm like, it is what it is. Like, I'm in no rush to look a certain way or fit into certain clothes. I mean, I live my life in sweatpants, so it's all good. I don't even know what my jean size is right now. I just think you have to focus on your own journey, and, you know, someone else's experience probably is not going to be yours. And like, unpopular opinion, but I actually think that this second postpartum recovery has been easier in some ways than my first. Just feel more like me faster, where it took me a good year to feel like myself again. And I don't know if it's because like that transition was also just the transition of me becoming a mom and my body going through that transformation for the first time. I do feel like the second time around, your body knows what to do. It knows how to recover. It now has this new knowledge. And, you know, I think if you can support your body's healing in ways like movement, I think it can really go a long way. And regardless if you've had a baby or not, like movement, I think is just so underrated. And, you know, I just think that like you should never take it for granted. And honestly, since like actually tracking with my smartwatch, my steps and activity level, on days that I don't go outside for a walk, my steps are like, it's embarrassing. Like even on days that I work out, but I don't go for a walk outside, I'm like, oh my gosh, I was sitting so much. So we really do try to go outside for a walk every single day. And now that the weather is warming up, I'm just like craving to be outside as much as I can. Whew, my arms, they're sore. It's the shoulders, those tricep dips I did earlier. Even my thighs, I was going down the stairs and I was like, oh, they really catch up to you. But yeah, I'm gonna go do a little work, hang out with Oakley once he's up from his nap, and before we have to go get Miss Seiji from daycare. Go check out CoPilot Fitness. Check my link in the description box below to get a free 14-day trial with your own personal coach. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Just try it out, see what you think. It just makes me excited to do my workouts every week and just have that back and forth communication with my coach. And I just feel like, you know, they're rooting you on, and it's just, like I said, so customizable, and it truly is a fitness program that is unique for you and your personal goals. So go check it out. Leave me a comment down below if you are joining the app and you're gonna work out with me. I'm gonna be sharing more of my fitness journey on my IG stories, so definitely follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.